Here I have Nokia XR20, and today I'm going to show you how to unblock number on this device. So firstly, let's open a phone application, tap here, go to its settings, then go to the block numbers, and here you can see the whole list of numbers which you have blocked. And if you want to unblock number, just tap on the cross icon next to it, and after that tap unblock, and now this number can reach you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.